What's going on, everybody? Welcome to another episode of Down to Be Outdoors. Ooh, that's when you know we've got some rain. Look at that outflow. I came down here and fished yesterday. I didn't shoot an intro. It was it was an alright day, but I've been throwing big swim baits and big top waters, looking for big bites. And I'm gonna start off with showing you the clips from yesterday and those big bites. I had one big bite, and we just missed it. Came on a big Zara spook. But I'm back today, even though it's raining once again. It's been raining ridiculous. It's been raining every day. But snook season's almost over. There's a pile of bait in here. With this outflow, I'm sure there's gonna be some big snook sitting somewhere in there. So we're gonna start by fishing that and then head down. Really gonna be targeting those mullet schools if I can get on them again, because that's where my big bite came. So here we go. I'm gonna get out. There we go. First fish of the day. Overzealous little guy right there. Skinny little guy trying to eat that big old bait like that. Pretty little fish. I had to say probably about 24 inches. Came up on that top water. Trying to let him go. Away he goes. God, gotta be kidding me. That was a bite. I was like, yeah. There we go. Oh my, come on. Come on, Winston. I don't know why I keep pulling hooks on fish. I mean, that wasn't a very big fish, but Would've been nice to catch them. Right there. I knew this outflow would be good. Oh, well, there he goes. Well, there's one little guy. Smallest of the bunch so far. All these garfish done got washed in the salt water. They're not liking life at the moment. And there's some little snook sitting right here, that is for sure. Imagine there's some big ones too somewhere. There we go. A little better fish, not a monster. Probably about the size of the second one I lost. Pretty little fish. Just cannot get over. I wish it flowed like this here all the time. Switch to another swim bait, and then if I see some big fish start eating these mullet, I'm going to the top water. But, oh, that's a better fish. That is more what I like to see. Still not going to be big enough, but not a bad fish. Not a bad fish at all. Skinny fish, but I'd say he's probably 24, 25 inch fish. Push him back. It's 4 or 5 snook I've had to eat right here on this outflow. All day long, baby. All day long on these guys. That's just a little FYI. You find an outflow like this, you better stop and fish it, because there's gonna be snook. Thing's got like a lesion on his back. It might not be big snook, but snook are a snook. They're sitting in here absolutely gorging themselves on any little crustaceans, minnows coming out of this thing. I know snook season's almost over and I'm looking for a big slot fish. But I mean, this is just fun. Wish I had my fly rod, to be honest. I mean, one after another on these little guys. They all got like crustaceans, like something's tried to bite them. Well, I hope everybody enjoyed that video. I had a good time making it. That little outflow came in handy. You know, I ended up probably having 8 bites off of just that little outflow. And fishing's kind of been slow. You know, I'm sure the inlets are getting pretty full. These snook are getting ready to spawn. So a lot of the big fish are moving out to the beach and to the inlets. So might go down and do a video. It's just been blowing so bad that hasn't really been ideal for that. You know, I like to use croakers, and you know, it's been too rough to go get croakers. So till next time, this is Down to Be Outdoors. I hope you guys are enjoying these videos, and I'll catch you guys later. If you did like it, please make sure to hit that subscribe button and give me a thumbs up.